I want to show you something super cool. So if you're sending somebody a link to your YouTube channel, you can add something to the end of the link that pops up a subscribe box and allows them to easily click on subscribe. Check it out. So let's go to my channel, view your channel, and I'm going to add this to the end of it. So at the end of the URL to my channel, I'm going to add !sub_confirmation equals 1. And this will be the full URL you send to people. Now, if you hit enter, you'll see that a box comes up allowing them to easily subscribe. Hopefully that was super clear, and hopefully that helps. Have a good one.